Class 9, today we will start our next poem, the poem third, Rain on the Roof. It is written by Quatis Kinney. Quatis Kinney is an American poet and he is very famous personality as he also worked in US Army and afterward becomes a senator and also wrote poetry and his collections. Out of his collections, this particular poem Rain on the Roof is one of the famous poem, clear. And this poem is this I'm sorry, this poem describes the healing power of rain. You know very well, rain has healing power according to poet. And what, when the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, so what, when the sky covered will is full of dark clouds, means black clouds, and when there it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? So this question is for you, reader. Ever what whenever rain falls, so have you listened, paid your attention towards the thing that the pitter patter means make a light rapid repeated sound. तो जब पानी की बूंदें गिरती हैं, when the rain drops falls on some hard surface, so it produces sound which comes continuously because the falling of raindrops produces such type of sound. This sound is called pitter patter of soft rain on the roof. So have you ever heard this pitter patter? What thoughts flashes through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? So whenever you think, I'm sorry, hear this type of music of rain, what type of thoughts comes to your mind? Here flashes means say run or move quickly. So means what type of thoughts flashes in your mind, means run or move quickly through your mind. So at the time what thoughts comes to your mind, the poet is asking. Read the poem to find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the rain. So in this poem the poet also experiences this thing while he was listening the rain sound, pitter patter of rain. He also feels good and his mood changes from the depression to the good one. How, we will see when we will read this poem. First stanza. When the humid containing water, shadows, you know very well it is image है ना, but here shadow means here clouds, dark clouds, okay, black clouds, hover, hang or covered. Hover means hang or covered over all the starry spheres. Starry, the sphere means sky which is full of stars. So when the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, so means domain or area spheres. So when the sky in which stars were shining, but actually these shiny sky is covered with the black clouds which were covering this clear sky, and what, full of clouds which were full of water, clouds containing water. And the melancholy feeling of thoughtfulness or sadness, clear. Melancholy means gloominess, udasi, clear, darkness. Listen, the poet clearly admits that darkness always bring melancholy, gloominess, उदासी लेकर आती है. Gently weeps in rainy tears. तो means for poet darkness brings gloominess and he what, gently weeps in rainy tears and it starts raining, and so the poet also shows or become reflectful, thoughtful, and tears comes in his eyes as the rain starts, clear, falling. What a bliss to press the pillow. So as he becomes reflective and sad, तो it means क्या, his all the emotions comes to surface and he starts raining when he hears the sound of raining on his roof. So what a bliss too. It is becomes a state of extreme happiness. But when the rain starts, his sorrowful feelings turns and some time of think comes into his mind. He enjoying the music of what? Rain to press the pillow and what? And hearing the sound of rain, he mind changes or he feels extremely happy when he tried to press his pillow of a cottage chamber bed. To means he is in his cottage in a small room. He is lying on his bed in a small room at countryside and lie listen to the patter of the soft rain overhead. And he is lying on his bed listening the music of rain which is coming overhead means over his head, which is coming from overhead means from his head, because the on roof there he can hear the sound of music. Clear? The bitter patter of music and which changes his mind. In first stanza, the poet has described a rainy night. On such a night, the sky gets covered by the clouds. In rainy season, sky is always covered with clouds and the star seems to disappear, and darkness often symbolizes a melancholic mood. Melancholic darkness na? So darkness symbolizes the melancholic mood. Clear? So the poet does not hesitate to say that the darkness makes him sad and reflective. And what? This thing works like a mirror, and he also becomes serious, but after listening the pitter patter of rain, he feels happy and wanted to press. And what is the thing which makes him happy? Enjoying the music of rain and what? Press his head on the pillow in a cottage chamber bed, in which in the bed where he is lying countryside, he is living in countryside in a small room, and here he wanted to uh, press his head under pillow and lie and listen and enjoy the music of rain. And in second para, every tinkle on the shinglings means rectangle rectangular tiles. Clear? Shingling means rectangular tiles. Tinkling means light metallic sound. टिंकल मीन्स जो कॉइन की साउंड होती है, मेटल की साउंड होती है वो. तो एवरी टिंकल, तो व्हेन द रेन ड्रॉप फेल्स on the rectangular tiles, it creates a tinkling sound has an echo in the heart, and that sound ring or say again. Echo means ring or say again. So this sound rings again in the heart of the poet. And a thousand dreamy fancies. Thousand means great in number. Dreamy, hazaro. Fancies. Dreamy fancies here means imagination and fondness. Clear? Imaginations. So dreamy means so many thousand fanciful dreams, imaginary dreams started coming into busy being start. So means thousands of memories and dreams started flashing into his mind, and a thousand recollections, and also he starts remembering. Recollections means remembrance होता है, तो रिकलेक्शन मीन्स रिमेम्बरेंस, पुरानी यादें. वीव मीन्स इंटरवीव बुनना. देयर एयर थ्रेड्स इनटू वूफ. Weave here, listen students, here he is just telling us that the creation of some memories, या reflection of some memories in the mind is just like the act of weaving the cloth or thread in a woof. Woof here means It is a type of thing on which the thread was